Hello viewers, I'm back again. I'm working with the infrared receiver and the infrared transmitter running using the Arduino Uno, and right now the Arduino Uno is running a program that is built off of what it was previously running off of, and I've called it Reverse Simon Says. And this program will play back all of the actions that I complete using some remote. And the reason why it's reverse Simon Says is because I wanted it to play back all of my actions the right way. So for example, if I open up the menu on a traditional television, I just hit the menu button. And I hit the menu button and I move over in the menu options 3 units to the right. If I were to play back that exact same sequence, the first thing that Arduino would send is menu. And if the menu is already up, it will take it off and it won't complete the other 3 sequences. And so the reason why it's reverse is so that you will actually be able to see or witness the fact that it is playing back your actions. So in the case of hitting the menu button and moving over 3 units to the right, it'll move over 3 units to the right and then hit the menu button, so that you can actually witness that it is playing back your actions. And so this can work with my television, and it can also for simple actions like single button presses, it'll work very well for that as well. It is reverse Simon Says, but it's not truly reverse. Initially the idea was for it to truly reverse all of the things that I do on a remote device. So for example, if I hit the menu button and I move 3 spaces to the left, I would like it to move 3 spaces to the right back to where it was initially and then hit the menu button. But that could probably come later. And so right now I'll just do a little quick demonstration of it. And so right now my television is over there, it's muted, and this is the television remote. And so I'll just point at it. Let's see if I can get it here. I'll point at it and hit the mute button. Hopefully my television will become unmuted. I'll hit that. Let's try it again. Oh, there it is. So it unmuted, and then I'll hit it again. And back to mute. So that works there. Now in the case of the menu option, I'll show you what I mean. So if I point at the television while simultaneously pointing at the infrared receiver, and I'll do the case of the menu option and moving 3 spaces to the right, or 3 units. So menu 1, 2, 3. So no longer touching it, and 1, 2, 3, and off. That's what it does when it replays your actions. I'll try it again with, for example, let's see. Okay. I'll do the input. Now the input on my television is such that when it highlights an input, it goes directly to it. And so it doesn't stay there. So what I'll have to do is I'll do it backwards so that you can see that it works. So I will input 3 units down and then hit the input button, so that Arduino will send the input button and then 3 units down. So pointing at it, this is input, 1, 2, 3, input. And looking at the television, it went to the input and then it went 3 units down, and then my television, as expected, goes to that input, which is DVD. And there's nothing there, so I'll just tell Arduino to take it off and hit that once, and there it goes. I think. Yes, television is off. Okay, So that's the first demonstration that it is operational. And then this is a photo viewer remote, and it works here as well. So I'll point at Arduino and I'll just do 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. So I want to demonstrate the fact that this program works with any remote for the most part, and this is a digital decor remote for a home photo viewer, and that photo viewer is located over there. And this remote is very small, pretty portable, and I'll show that it is in fact reversing the commands that you send your device. And so this demonstration won't. It'll show its traditional use based on the previous program. And so right now what's selected is the far right option, which is settings. The center is calendar, and the far left is slideshow. And so if I were wanting to select the slideshow, I'd move the cursor over 2 spaces to the left. So I point at the receiver and hit this twice, and that should go over to slideshow. 1, 2. Okay. And if I want to go back to settings, I'll do that 2 spaces to the right. 1, 2. 1, 2. And we're back to settings. And then I'll hit enter. So it does work there. Now for those commands, it is not readily apparent that it's reversing what you do. So to prove that it is in fact reversing what you do, I'll do that here in the setup option. And so right now, on the far right, the first option is selected. And so what I'll do on both devices is I'll point at both of them, and I'll go down 1 unit, or actually I'll go down 3 units and then up 1 unit. Now when I do that, Arduino should do the opposite of that, which is move up 1 unit and then down 3 units. And so that's what I'll demonstrate right here. So I'll go down 3 units and then up 1. So 1, 2, 3, up 1, and up 1 unit and down 3 units. So it is in fact reversing what you do. So I'll try it again. I'll go down 1 unit and then up 2 units, and Arduino should go up 2 units and then down 1 unit. So I'll go up 2 units. Actually, I'll go down 1 unit and then up 2. Down 1, up 2, and it goes up 2 and down 1. So there you have it. It does reverse what you do, and this is why I've called it Reverse Simon Says. And it's just basically a demonstration that Arduino can receive inputs, store them in memory, and then essentially recite them to you. And so this is what we have here. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about it, please post in the comments below, and don't forget to rate and subscribe, and have a great day.